Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming your Google account is the same in YouTube and Google Play. This links balances to subscriptions. Once done, open Play Store and tap Payments and Subscriptions to view your Play balance and available payment methods. Make sure your country supports using Play balance for recurring subscriptions because not all regions allow it. If your balance is insufficient, add gift cards or recharge. These initial checks save time and prevent charge failures when you proceed to buy YouTube Premium. Next, you go to YouTube and tap your profile, then Purchases and Memberships. From there, choose YouTube Premium and pick the plan that fits, individual, family, or student, because billing options can differ by plan. After selecting a plan, choose Pay with Google Play from the payment options. This ties the subscription charge to your Play balance. Make sure to review the price and billing cycle displayed. If prompted, confirm which Google account you want to bill to avoid charging the wrong account. Complete the purchase by confirming the subscription. You'll see a confirmation screen and an email receipt. Once confirmed, check Play Store payment settings to verify the subscription uses your Play balance. If the charge fails, top up your Play balance with a gift card or add a backup payment method, then retry. Make sure automatic renewal is allowed for Play balance billing. If problems persist, note the transaction ID and contact Google support. This helps them trace failed charges and resolve account-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.